revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube fam? Just testing something out. I got sent home early from work. I'm trying to test something. My brother-in-law popping up over here. We'll pop. No, tell that no problem. Appointment G. No, final appointment too.
Back from préparer bagay from papier pour porter.
Okay.
The doctor.
Okay. I'm testing on remote. So what I was saying, I'm testing the GoPro remote on my dash. And yeah, I got sent home today from work because I have a really bad headache. So at the hospital environment, they don't take any risk. So yeah, I don't know. This little headache. I'm sure I'll be all right. Probably lay down or whatever. But in any case. But I know I got this remote because of NV King. When me, him, Motomac, shout out to Trav, H2 Speed Rich, and a couple of folks, we did that. I did half of that ride, and I saw it, and I saw how he had it all set up, and initially I was controlling this off of my phone. But I think it's better to have the actual remote. This is not new. I had it for a while, but in the spirit of just creating some sort of content. Also, I'm trying to try something with the camera. I'm trying to see if I can angle it down. So I'm giving myself a cue to kind of see for SmackDowns and stuff. I don't want the wind actually up here. You know, like I don't want it too flat, and then hopefully it stays stable, you know, but this way under a full tucking situation, because I do have my clear screen over here, which is where, you know, when I do the SmackDowns and stuff, you guys have different configurations because that screen is mainly just for like street riding, bike nights or whatnot. Shout out to Deuce Moto. He's the one that did that for me. But, you know, just a little something, you know, just to check the angle, make sure that I can get all this with the remote situated. But just a little short, you know, video thingy. And that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure in post-production I'll get it to zoom in and whatnot. But I'm seeing that the battery is not all that cracked up it is to be, but yeah, this is kind of where most of the folks, I gotta get a longer wire, or I got to get this to turn around somehow, but it's all gravy. Yeah, later on, me and my brother-in-law gonna power wash the CBR. He's actually changing it to green. That's his favorite color. So I actually like the black and red and white, or the white, black and red, however, whatever, but I actually like that scheme. But he's going to keep those fairings, so it'll be good stuff. But, yeah. Again, pardon this place. It's getting purged now that certain people are moving out. And, you know, I'm inheriting this property. So I'll have a lot more room to do some cool stuff, especially the backyard. But, in any case... Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. My name is ZX Predator. I'm Audi. And thank you to those who have been checking out the channel. Leave a like. That goes a long way. The more likes I get, the more the channel gets seen, and then the more access to editing tools that I get on YouTube as a YouTube partner. So it goes a long way, and especially my local folks who be on my channel, you know, show some love, man. Man, I'm at ZX Predator.